What is DTI? Shane Whitted from Rock Credit Repair. DTI is your debt-to-income ratio. Let's talk about that for a minute. Debt-to-income ratio, again, you'll hear a lot of underwriters talk about DTI. So DTI is 30% of the capacity amount owed on your lines of credit, your credit cards. That is 30% of how the bureaus are scoring you. We get a lot of requests on this and a lot of customers concerned. We even get clients that call us on free consultations that have absolutely nothing wrong with their credit. They have no late payments, no collections, and they can't figure out why their credit score keeps fluctuating up and down, or it doesn't increase at all. And the first thing I find is this: just take Joe Smith. Joe Smith has a credit card balance of $1,000. Joe Smith has got a $900 balance on that credit card. His score is going to decrease. So we tell Joe Smith, you need to go pay that credit card down to 25% of the credit usage. So again, that $1,000 credit card, he'll pay it down from $900 to $225 as the balance now. His score will increase 30%. So again, the bureaus are scoring you 30%, which is capacity amount owed of your credit report. So Joe Smith pays it down to $225. His score will increase 30%. With that being said, as an example, Joe Smith has got a credit score that keeps teeter-totter between 600 and 650. Now his score just went up to 720 because he paid it down to 25% of the credit limit. So that is debt-to-income ratio. That's what underwriters are looking at. Banks, your creditworthiness is being judged by debt-to-income ratio. That's 30% of your credit of how the bureaus are scoring you. I hope this video helps you. We do offer free consultation and analysis. Please visit us at rockcreditrepairs.com. Again, that's rockcreditrepairs.com. Pay attention for new videos coming out on student loans and medical debt. Thank you.